Peace and light, family. I hope that you are well. So I rose or was risen early this morning about 3 a.m. and I immediately felt the urge and the desire to go deep into meditation and to consult with my ancestors. And I must share, I feel urged to share the word that they gave me. And the word that they gave me is that the ancestors are hungry right now. Spirit is hungry right now and must be fed. Now, the question is, how do we feed spirit, and why should we feed our spirit? And not just our spirit, but spirit guides, our ancestors who also could be spirit guides. Why should we feed them first? First and foremost, these are the beings who guide us, who lead us, who protect us, who make way and clear pathways so that we can be well. So when we feed our ancestors, we feed spirit, what we do is we are saying thank you. So when spirit is hungry, we must feed it. Now, how do we feed spirit? We feed spirit by doing altar work. We must cleanse off our altars. We must pray at our altars. We must make sure that we are putting out physical food offerings. A food offering could be anything that your ancestors used to enjoy, that your mama taught you how to make through teaching your mama, and your mama taught you, or daddy, or vice versa. That's how we feed spirit. We can also put out spirit water. We want to put out a glass of fresh water. We want to make sure that we are going to our altar and saying thank you to spirit for guiding us and for leading us. So that is how we feed spirit. Another way that we can feed spirit is by making sure that we clean our homes, sweep the corners of your home, sweep your entire house, but make sure you sweep the corners specifically. You want to make sure you mop the floors, clean off the toilets, the sinks, the showers, clean every corner of your home, and you want to put a little fresh sea salt as a protective measure for the ancestors and for spirit and for yourself. So clean your home from top to bottom, corner to corner. Place a little fresh sea salt in the corner of your homes. Another thing you want to do is to make sure that you are praising and giving thanks and saying your grace over your food and over your beverages and whatever you are intaking in your body. You want to be mindful of what you are intaking physically, mentally, and spiritually. Be mindful of what you are listening to and what you are doing. Mind your actions. Make sure everything is being done in gratitude. Do not kill, hurt, or harm anything, not even a fly, not a bug or anything. You want to make sure that you are protecting all forms of energy. I do readings. What I do is I consult with my spirit guides first. I consult with spirit first, and then I pull cards for confirmation. So when I woke up this morning, that was on my spirit, but then I just recently pulled a card just for confirmation. So I shuffled my deck and shuffled my deck and shuffled my deck until spirit says that's enough. And I pull the top card, and that gives me my daily reading to let me know what the message is for the day. And the card that came up was Papa Legba. Now, if you are not aware, Papa Legba is the Orisha, the first Orisha that is over the gateways and the crossroads. So what happens is you have Legba who stands and protects and guards the gateways and the crossroads, and he decides whom and what shall come and go from those gateways. So this is just confirmation that we must ensure that we are feeding our spirit guides and feeding our ancestors and feeding our own spirits through feeding our elders and through caring for our homes and caring for our children, minding our diet, minding our behavior, minding our actions and energy. We must make sure that we are feeding spirit and doing well so that these gateways can be opened up for us. So discipline at this time is key. Discipline at this time is key. Please be disciplined. Be at your altar every single day. Be at your altar. Give thanks, clean it off, burn your sage, burn your basil, and do your work, family. Much love, much peace, and I'll be seeing you soon.